So, what do you think of the hair transplant?
So far, I've loved it so far. Like, I was very skeptical of getting it at first. I know,
So, this is Alex. He's 22 years old and had a hair transplant, follicular unit excision FUE, 2,500 grafts 6 months ago. I'm now going to show you his post-op photographs, and he was a Norwood 4 pattern. You can see them here. And now he's come back at 6 months. The reason why we're showing a 6-month one is it gives us a good idea of how hair regrowth occurs, and he has shown very good regrowth for 6 months. You can see that the hairline is natural, and it's good growth. The other way. Head down. You can see here that this is the transplanted area, and it's grown in very well to merge with the non-transplanted area. So, what do you think of the hair transplant?
so far, I've loved it so far. Like, I was very skeptical of getting it at first. 'Cause I didn't know what it was gonna be about. But then after I got research from Dr. Guba, I was like fully confident in it. In the first like 2 months, I was kind of scared because like hair like follicles start falling out. But then after like months go on, like everything starts to regrow, and I'm at the 6 month stage now. And like honestly, I couldn't be happier with it right now, and it's just gonna keep getting better. So.
And when did the hair begin to regrow for you?
I would say like 3.5, maybe 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah.
Are you using any Rogaine or anything else?
I was using Rogaine, but then I stopped it because I was like, okay, I'm not going to do this. But I think I'm going to start using Rogaine on the crown again.
On the crown, yeah. And what do you think of the hairline?
I love the hairline. It's super crisp. Like there's no like little bends. It's perfectly straight. It's a nice like. It's not like super straight like a kid's hair is. It's like a normal like grown.
Like a natural hairline.
A natural hairline. Yeah.
And have you had people noticed it? Your friends, family?
Oh yeah, a lot of my friends just got back from university and college and they're like, wow, your hair is really like taken off since last time I saw you.
Right.
My family loves it. Everyone always compliments me now on it.
What do you think it's done for your self-confidence?
Oh, like during COVID, like I was at a low in my confidence, and obviously COVID didn't help that. And then when I got the hair transplant, I immediately just felt way more confident.
And to anybody who's thinking of a hair transplant, what advice would you have to give them?
If you're not like confident in your hair and like you feel like it's projecting sadness in your life, I would definitely get it done, because for me, like I wasn't happy at the time, and this was definitely an issue, and I wanted to get it solved, and it was just gonna keep getting worse and worse and worse. So I was like, okay, I'd rather do it now, get it fixed, and then I'll have it for most of my life.